Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing DIY home project. I'm going to be making a home decor that you can put anywhere that you want in your house. Today I'm going to be using for this DIY Dollar Tree Jenga, these brain teaser puzzles, and wooden dowel sticks. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start by taking these brain teaser puzzles apart and gluing them back together with hot glue. These blocks are all glued together, and now I'm going to be gluing the Jenga. So now I am going to be drilling holes into the Jenga sticks so that the dowels can go in. I am taping the masking tape onto the drill to know how far I want to drill it. I'm going to paint these with black acrylic paint, which will kind of be like a primer. And then when it's dry, I'm going to spray paint part of it with this gold spray paint. hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree DIY project. Please comment down below and subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel a lot, so thank you for watching.